Ghanem Marketing. Today we're going to talk about Google Display Network. So what is Google Display Network? It's an online advertising platform. Sometimes you are visit some websites like yahoo.com or msn.com. The banner ads is shown at the right side or in the left side. So let's visit yahoo.com and let's show you where's these ads shown. Scroll down. This one, it's a banner ads. This one is banner ads. This is Google Display Network. So I can showing my banner ads regarding to specific keywords. For example, the search query, go to the Google and type in best desk chairs online. So my banner ads gonna be eligible to show to him at the specific websites. I can showing my banner ads for the people regarding to the Affinity Market. So what is Affinity Market? For the guy who's really daily interest about reading the news or reading articles about the cars or reading articles about the desk chair. So my banner ad is going to be eligible to show to him. So I can target for these people. I can target some people, they are really interesting to buy something online. We call this in-market audience. I can target people for demographic, for age or gender or location. I can showing my banner ads, my banner ads regarding to the some specific websites like yahoo.com or msn.com. So let me show you guys how we can launch a Google Display Network. So I'll go to the plus sign, new campaign. Here, guys, create a campaign without a goal. We were talking about the Google search campaign before, and my advice for you, create a campaign without a goal at the Google search and the Google display. Select the campaign type. It's going to be Google display. Keep it here standard, display campaign. Scroll down a little bit. Right here, your website. Scroll down, continue. What's the campaign name? Say services. Sorry. I'm targeting here, United Arab Emirates, location options, people in these locations. So my banner ads is gonna be only the people they are living at United Arab Emirates. Scroll down. Languages, I'm targeting people they are speaking English and speaking Arabic. The bidding, I'm focusing about the manual CPC. Scroll down. Budget's gonna be around $100. Ad group, let's say SEO. Audiences, go to the browse. Targeting here regarding to the Affinity Market. We were talking about what is Affinity Markets mean. So if someone is really interesting or he always reading articles about the shoes, about the food or lifestyle. For example, in market audience, I'm targeting people they are really buying something online, like he's really buying courses online, or he's really interesting to buy shoes or buying cars. Scroll down, demographics. So I can target people based on gender, male or female, age, content targeting. We were talking about keywords. If the search query go to the Google and type in leather desk chair. So my banner ad is gonna showing to him for specific websites and the topics. For the people they are really interesting about cars or about shoes or about online courses. So my ad's gonna be eligible to show to him. And placements, I can target people for for some specific websites like yahoo.com or msn.com, right? Targeting explanation, you can keep it here as a default. And the ad group, it's gonna be, you're gonna bid for this ad group, let's say $3. And to create your first ads, go to the plus sign, responsive display ads. All right. I want to create the first responsive ads. So here I can let Google do scan to my website, which is means gonna be help me to give me a different banner sizes. So I can choose this one as an image, this one as a logo, and choose this one as an image too. Let's say square. Let me choose something. This one's gonna be a square. Yes. Then save. So right here, the first headline, the long headline, and the description. First headline, let's say, learn digital marketing. The second headline is gonna be learn digital marketing. Ghanem Marketing. The long headline, you can do combination with the first headline and the second headline. You can write down learn digital marketing with Ghanem Marketing. Description. Let's say improve your website with Ghanem Marketing. This is the first description. Right. My business name is Ghanem Marketing. Create a campaign. Oops, your ads will be eligible to run with no ad group targeting. Yeah, I should go back to ad groups. And that's it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.